Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see which apps are connected to your Google account, so let's dive right in. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Google application on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click. Then, on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option Manage your Google account and click on it. A new page will open where you will look for the option Security under your profile picture in the options bar and click on it. By clicking on the security option, the next page will open where you will also go down to the option Your connections to third-party apps and services in the drop-down menu and click on it. And here it is. You can see all the applications where you are logged in through your Google account. And that's it. Now you know how to see which apps are connected to your Google account. It's a great way to protect your account and protect your personal information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your digital privacy and security. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.